Welcome, cat lovers! Have you ever stared into your cat's eyes and thought, does this tiny, adorable furball even like me? Well, today, we're going to break down 8 signs that prove your cat trusts you. Because let's be honest, cats don't hand out trust to just anyone. But first, let's start with a cat trivia question. Here is your question. What's the record for the world's oldest living cat? Is it A, 21 years? B, 30 years? Or C, 38 years? Take your best guess and stick around until the end to find out. Now let's move on to find out if your cat actually trusts you. 1. The slow blink of love. If your cat stares at you and then slowly blinks, congratulations! You just got the equivalent of a kitty kiss. This is their way of saying, I trust you and have nothing to fear. Give your cat a slow blink back, then the trust will be set. And 2. The belly flash. If your cat flops over and shows you their belly, don't be fooled. This is not necessarily an invitation to pet it. It's more like, I trust you enough to expose my weakest spot. But touch it, and I might activate my ninja training. Remember the warning. See, I told you. And 3. They bring you gifts of love. Consider yourself blessed if your cat has ever gifted you with a dead mouse, a toy, or something of ultimate grossness. In the cat world, this is a gift saying I love you. In our world, it's a free heart attack. 4. The tail of happiness. A cat's tail is like an emotional antenna. If they approach you with their tail straight up and a little curve at the tip, this is good. It is your cat's way of saying, hello, my dear servant, I mean human. It's basically the cat version of a happy wave. 5. The head boop of friendship. If your cat bonks their head against you, congrats, you've been officially booped. This is how they mark you with their scent and claim you as their own. You belong to them now. Resistance is futile. 6. The purring machine. Purring is like a built-in cat engine that revs up when they're feeling safe and content. If your cat curls up on you and starts purring, you've reached premium human status. Well done, chosen one. 7. They follow you, even to the bathroom. If your cat insists on following you everywhere, including the bathroom, it's not because they love to stare you down in awkward situations. They trust you and want to be near you. Also, they're probably judging your life choices. It's their job to know what goes on in their castle. You never know, maybe they need to use the toilet too. 8. They sleep on you or near you. In the wild, cats are vulnerable when they sleep. If your kitty fluffs up on your lap or sleeps near you or needs to sleep with you in bed, it means they trust you with their life. Or you just might be a warm place to be. Either way, take the win. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Here is the answer to today's trivia question. The world's oldest cat on record lived to be C, 38 years old. That's right, 38 years old. What is that in cat years? A whopping 168 years. A cat named Cream Puff lived to the ripe old age of 38. So if your cat is still ignoring you at age 10, don't worry, you've got decades left to win them over. Okay, my fellow cat enthusiasts, did your cat show any of these trust signs? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and take a peek for more fun pet content. Remember, cats may be mysterious, but their love is worth the effort. How old is your cat in cat years? See my other video linked here to show you how to figure it. See my video on loving support animals. I have linked the video at the end. Bye for now. See you in the next video.